everyone, welcome back. I got, my wife has been working on a garden for a little while now, and she could really use a little yard cart since she doesn't like every time I tell her, use the tractor, it's a giant wheelbarrow. So we got her a little yard cart and figured we'd do an unboxing and a review of how it all goes together. All right. Pretty solid pneumatic tires, netting, instructions, assembly video here. Looks like maybe the front axle here possibly. It's our rear axle, our handle, our other two wheels, brackets, some hardware, even includes a little 15 and 13 millimeter wrench in here. And this must be maybe the metal frame that the axle's attached to, possibly. And I have no idea what that is. So, how about we crack open the instructions and figure out how to put it together. Alright, so our first step here looks like attaching this handle to the back of the tub. And one thing I noticed that's kind of nice with this kit is all the hardware is actually labeled for which step you need it for. So like this bag says step 2, right? That's going to secure this plate to the bottom. Thought that was kind of a nice touch. I haven't actually seen that before, and I've done quite a few of these unboxing and videos and like reviews and stuff. That's kind of nice. So this guy stick on like this.